Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Android screen dimmer if it's too bright. So on your Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel or other Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to make your screen less bright. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and then select the setting gear button. Then you want to scroll down a little bit on this page and you want to select where it says display and touch. And then brightness level should be right at the top setting here. Go ahead and select that. And then a scroll bar should appear up here at the top. You can just go ahead and scroll to the left. If you want to make the screen dimmer, you can make it brighter conversely if you go to the right. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And once you're done, just click on the back arrow and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.